दर्शकों, मैं दिशान कादी, आप सब देख रहे हैं सारा अधिकार। एथलेटिक्स किट्स का आगाज होने जा रहा है यूबीएस द्वारा, जिसमें 1 लाख से अधिक बच्चे प्रेरणा लेंगे। स्पोर्ट्स का एक बच्चे के जीवन में क्या महत्व है, उसका उल्लेख किया जाएगा। ये इवेंट 15 फरवरी को जियो एथलेटिक सेंटर उल्वे में होगा। इसमें फेमस एथलीट नीरज चोपड़ा भी होंगे। 7 से 15 साल के बच्चे ग्रैंड मुंबई फाइनल में जाएंगे। उसका कंपटीशन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टाइमिंग, लाइव कमेंट्री होगी। लॉन्ग जंप बॉल थ्रो इवेंट होगा और इसमें उन बच्चों को जिनको अपना भविष्य एथलेटिक्स में बनाना हो वो इंस्पायर होंगे। 15 फरवरी को इसका आयोजन होगा उल्वे नवे मुंबई जियो एथलेटिक्स सेंटर। 9 से 4 बजे का इसका टाइमिंग होगा। इस इवेंट को 3 भागों में बांटा गया है, रनिंग, जंपिंग और थ्रोइंग। हमारे देश में मोटापा एक बहुत बड़ी समस्या है और उसका कारण है स्पोर्ट्स को हमने कहीं हद तक इग्नोर किया है। आप इनके वेबसाइट athletickidsclub.com पर जाकर जो भी डिटेल्स है इसमें हासिल कर सकते हैं। महाराष्ट्र के अलग अलग स्कूल के बच्चे इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं और इसमें बहुत सारे राउंड्स होंगे। और जो एथलीट्स अपना करियर एथलेटिक्स में बनाना चाहते हैं उनके लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट होगा। तो आप इस वेबसाइट पर देख सकते हैं, आप देखिए, ब्राउज़ कीजिए और जो भी आपके क्वेरीज हैं दिए गए नंबर्स पर कांटेक्ट कीजिए। देश और दुनिया की तमाम खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए सहारा अधिकार। Hello friends, I am Dishan Kali. You are all watching Sahara Adhikar news channel. Today we are at Mumbai Press Club and there was a press meet on UBS Athletics Kids Club. This organization has taken an initiative to inspire the youth of Maharashtra to engage in sports activities, and they have many plans and initiatives also for the same. We have with us a very special guest. His name is Danny. Danny, welcome to Sahara Adhikar news channel. We have heard all the speakers today, and you have taken a very good initiative to inspire the young generation to take part in sports activity so that they can boost their immunity also, so that their health conditions also get improved. Can you tell us about your organization, UPS?
So what we do, we organize it as PowerPart, and what we do is the initiative we started at Athletics Kids Club to get the kids moving. We move the kids, our hashtag, that's exactly what we say we want to do. We want to get the kids outside again, so they come away from their cell phones, from their laptops, from their games, that they do outside movements, because through these movements you learn a lot of social skills. It's good for your mental health, it's good for our overall health condition, and we would like to show that sports is fun as well to play, because I think it's very important that children, especially in a young age, have some outside activities, some physical activities, because it will be good for their future career. And who knows, maybe through that process we will find as well one or few talents which can even go further basically.
Sir, we have seen in India that parents over here prefer their children to become engineers and doctors. And when a child has a vision of becoming a cricketer, then they are not appreciated. While in America and in other countries, parents they concentrate and focus on the child's passion. They support the children, but in India it doesn't happen like that. So, what is the message to the youth of India and to their parents? How important is a child's passion in his life?
I think it's very important that we really can generate dreams. I mean, if as a young child we don't have any dreams, where do we go? Like myself, I can see from my own experience, I was very motivated to do sports. I was very active in sports, but I never became a world-class athlete, so I was not talented enough. But it helped me to dream and to learn discipline, to work forward, to work hard on a goal and achieve something. That's a capacity I can use today in my business side of life. So I think the same thing here. I'm sure if the children at a young age learn through sports activities to work on that, this will help them in the future to achieve their goals. Because at the end of the day, if we don't dream, we can't achieve anything.
Thank you. My dear viewers, we have one more guest with us. Her name is Manjiri and she is also associated with UBS. Ma'am, welcome to Sahara Adhikar news channel. We were having a word with you and you have spoken about 800 schools are participating from across Maharashtra, and children would be focused on javelin throw and more of athletic sports, and your UBS will inspire those children for the same. So what is your expectation for your upcoming events? Like how many children would be coming and what is the message to both?
So we launched this initiative in August of 2024. And in Mumbai, we reached out to more than 1,000 schools, out of which more than 800 schools actually signed up and participated in the event, through which more than 85 to 90,000 children were part of this event in Mumbai. Now, out of those participants, there were the best participants who were invited for 5 regional finals in Mumbai city and Mumbai suburbs, Palghar, Thane and Raigad. And out of those 2,500 finalists, we have the top 500 winners who will be joining us on 15th February at Geo Institute for the Mumbai finale of season 2. Like I said, for these 85 to 90,000 children to participate, there was huge support from parents of the students, from PT teachers, almost 2,000 PT teachers, and school principals and school teachers. So my expectation is that for such a movement to keep growing, we not only need children, we not only need organizers and sponsors, we also need every facet of society to be involved. So we need the parents, we need school teachers, we need people who work with grounds, we need the government, we need everyone to be part of this initiative.
Can you tell us about your organization UPS, and if any child from Maharashtra who aspires to be a sportsman, be it in the field of cricket or football, then how does your organization help him? And if any children or any schools or any parents want to contact you, then what would be your email address? Can you tell your viewers about it?
So UBS is a Swiss bank. It is more than 160 years old. We are present in over 50 countries. It has been in India for the last 30 years, and for the last 10 years we have been focused on enabling students and children to build their lives with the support of education as well as sports. Athletics has been something that has been very close to UBS for the past 10 to 12 years, where even in Switzerland they support a similar activity, and that has been one of the most successful young talent programs in the world, where we see students from that program now being part of the Swiss national team. So we are very confident that if there is any country that can make this initiative bigger and better and can benefit from it even more, it is India. This was our first year, so we are sure that there will be, the next seasons will be much bigger. Many more children can participate in it. And what we want to focus on is giving them a platform to build the basic skills that are required to succeed in any sport. So running, jumping, throwing are the basic requirements for any sport. What we want to do is we want to enable that, and once we have reached a big enough population, we would definitely be happy to consider sponsoring more children, focusing on more sports. But right now we want to build healthy habits by bringing more and more children on the field, getting them to practice basic movements and really just enjoying sports.
What is the date of the event? What is the date? What time?
So the event will happen on 15th of February at Geo Institute in Pune. It will start at 9 in the morning and we hope to wrap it up by 4 o'clock. And if you want to know more about the event and activities, please make sure to visit our website www.athleticsclubs.com.
My dear viewers, this was Manjushri speaking with Radhika. The event will take place on the 15th of February at Geo Garden, Mumbai, and you can see on the screen the website is given. You can get all the details about this sports event. To get all the updates regarding our news channel, please do keep watching Sahara Radhika.